Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Google Nest Hub 2nd generation with Android smartphone. And to do this you'll need to get the Home app on your phone. It's Google Home. Like this. And next thing to do, you should see the Setup Nest Hub. If your device is turned off, you might need to switch the switch right here and turn it on. And now let's proceed with the setup. So click on in your Google Home app, Setup Nearby Hub. Then you need to pick the account for this hub. In this case I'm going with this one, and next. Now it will look for this device. It's that one, so click yes. Here you need to scan the QR code visible on the screen. Now it's connected. Let's click yes, I'm in. Here pick where this Google Nest Hub will be sitting. In this case let's go for attic and click next. You need to connect it with a Wi-Fi, and there's 5G as it seems, so let's go for the first 5G network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Now that it is connected, you can set up the Google Assistant, read all of this information if you like, set up the voice match on a device at my account. I'm gonna go with not now. If you want you can continue, and then the Google Assistant will recognize your voice better. Let's get personal results on device at HR. Let's go and turn it on. Now the assistant is ready, and I think, actually, what do you want to set up next? Customize your photo frame, listen to music and radio, watch TV, movies or something like that, call friends and family. I don't want to do any of that. If you want, of course you can do it. And stay in home, stay up to date with Google hardware products and related features, services and others. Plus receive invitations to help improve Google hardware products and related services. No thanks. Almost finished. Let's click continue, and here there will be a little tutorial on how to use your Nest Hub. I'm gonna go with not now, and it should be ready. Then we will be able to move on to the screen on our Nest Hub. Okay, now there's a touch screen right here, and we can click on finish setup.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
If you want to watch the tutorial right here about how to use this device, you can do it. I'm gonna skip it, and from here our device is ready. As you can see, we have a frame and we can begin customizing it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.